Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the iPhone off to avoid accidental inputs and short circuits. Once done, remove the case and SIM tray so nothing restricts the frame. This exposes the side buttons area. Use a flashlight and inspect around the volume button for debris or misalignment. Make sure to have small tools ready: a pentalobe for the screws, a plastic pick to pry gently, and compressed air to blow out grit. Begin with minimal force. You're looking, not forcing. Next, clean the button mechanism to remove trapped dust or sticky residue. Start with 2-3 short bursts of compressed air at a shallow angle. This loosens loose particles. Then lightly dampen a cotton swab with 90% isopropyl and run it along the button edge while pressing and releasing to work solvent into the gap. Make sure to avoid saturating internal ports and let any solvent evaporate fully. If the button still feels stuck, use a plastic pick to tease out visible debris very gently. Finally, test the button after cleaning by powering on and trying the volume controls. Allow 10 to 15 minutes for any solvent to evaporate first. If the button remains jammed, the internal bracket or flex cable may be misaligned. At that point, either open the device carefully with the right tools or take it to an authorized repair to avoid warranty voiding. If you see moisture indicators or non-responsive behavior, mention liquid exposure. One key tip: if software oddities persist, boot into safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.